Good morning, fellow option traders. This is Jeff, and welcome to the Daily Scan for Wednesday, November 27th, 2013. Well, we have, as we mentioned yesterday, kind of a busy day cramming everything in before the holiday. As far as announcements are concerned, we have red stars on durable goods orders and jobless claims, and gold stars on Chicago PMI, consumer sentiment, and the petroleum status report, and a bunch of other stuff later on in the afternoon. Well, not a bunch, but enough. So I want to make this video short, so let's just jump right over and take a look at the foreign markets, at least foreign to us here in the United States. Asia, kind of mixed. Nothing really, not any big movers, maybe Hang Seng, but that's about it. Over in Europe, we are up nicely, smartly, I guess you could say, but nothing really ballistic, and that's a good thing. We don't like things to be too ballistic. Taking a look at the futures here, looks like as though we're going to open up, and gold is up $10, up above $12.50. So that might be chugging along here a little bit. I went to go get silver yesterday, and the coin store was closed, so we'll try again today. And then oil is down to 93.26, but not being reflected in the current gas prices, at least those around me. Alright, so in play yesterday we made some trades. First thing we did was we did a bear call on Chipotle. Let's take a look at that chart, because I actually did two trades. I did a calendar and a bear call. So let's jump over and take a look at that chart, and I have to squish this down in order to see everything. Alright, so here's the bear call. We did like at the money, 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, roughly, I guess you could say. It was pretty darn close. $5 spread, $2.40 credit. So we're betting that Chipotle is going to continue its down move and chop its way down. And then I did this calendar with a regular December expiration for the short here at 525, or 500 I should say. And this bear call is at 525. Another trade I did yesterday was Walgreens, and that was a calendar. So let's take a look at that. My first trade with Walgreens in quite a while. And that's a December 1 calendar, so that's next week's expiration. So we're looking for this price to be around here at expiration if you want to take a look at the Analyze tab here and what the risk profile looks like. Hopefully we end up around here close to expiration, and maybe we can pull, like maybe $100 out of this thing. I did 5 of them, so there was quite a bit of expense involved in trading this. So I paid 21 cents for each calendar. So that was like about $200 or so, $210 I think. It cost me for this trade, and hopefully we can pull $100 out of it. That would be a good thing. And then the other one that I did was, I already covered both the Chipotles, so that's what I did yesterday. Let me see if there's anything else popping up here that maybe you guys haven't seen before. Nope. Now if we look over here, we're not doing real hot in the profit and loss column, but some of these are just going to take a little bit of time to mature. And SPX will expire at noon Friday, so we're hoping that that one will be out of the money. Alright, let's jump right over to the A+ list. We may get out of class early today. Alright, we're looking at Apple, are we sure we're here? Auto scale, yes, we are there. Alright, let's move this over just a tad. Apple had a very nice day yesterday. Not too good for our iron condor. Black Friday coming up probably was not a good idea to do an iron condor on Apple at this time, but we'll just see what happens. I'm not going to panic with this at all. I'm going to let it play out and see how it does. Our Adobe iron condor is working out just fine so far, and that's a simulated trade. That's not one of my A-plussers. Amazon, we had a nice hook here, and I took a pass on it. I should have done something. Now, I do have something on Amazon. Do I not? No, I don't. So anyway, I just spent a bunch of money with them yesterday, too. So, I guess, I don't know. I spend a lot of money on Amazon. I think I mentioned that before. But anyway, to get back to this, looks like as though it's doing really, really well, and that would have been a good trade. Baidu, I believe we have a simulated calendar on Baidu, and it had a very nice day yesterday, and we're looking for a trend reversal here. So we're looking for stochastic to come up here, which it's cooperating right now, and then give us a hook down, because we're seeing all this confirmation over here. Alright, Celgene. It finally might be coming down to give us a hook, and then we'll see what happens after that. But it's looking pretty strong right now. Chipotle we already looked at. Let's take a look at FedEx. FedEx is going to benefit from all my Amazon activity, although they've been using other carriers. Sometimes the U.S. mail. I think if the package size is right, they use the U.S. mail. But FedEx, we're waiting for a hook here on them. They're a little choppy here too. So we're going to choppy tops. Choppy. Green Mountain Coffee. I'm not going to look at our gold trade. Green Mountain. Well, here we proved that when they say it's going to close the gap, well, it did close the gap. So now we have a very nice hook down here after what could be considered sort of a strong earnings, but you know, something's going on here. So I'm alerting this for today. Alright, so that's one for today. Google, we have an iron condor there. That's getting kind of scary. We'll see how that one plays out. It's a little bit late on this choppiness here. Alright, so we have LinkedIn. We have a bear call on that. That one's looking a little scary. Nothing currently to jump in on there. MasterCard might be coming down and giving us another target here. So I'm going to move this one over. And it'll take care of that one. Marvel is our synthetic covered call. Netflix, just marching right on up here. We missed our opportunity here, so we're going to have to move this over and put up a new target and hope that that works out. Nike, we blew this target. Now let's go for another target. Looking pretty strong. Priceline also looking very strong. Alright, we're going to move this target over to Kaihu. See if it's continuing its, yeah, so we're getting a little bit of choppiness in here. I don't know exactly what to do with this one yet. I think I'm going to just keep an eye on it. It's a new member of the list, and we have a lot of choppiness here. Top chop. Tesla continues to march down, although we're getting a little choppy here, so maybe there's a reversal in the future. We don't know yet. Visa is marching on up, looking for a target entry down here. Walgreens. We have our December calendar, December first expiration of December calendar. Hoping that it wanders its way down around the 59. And XLV maybe running out of a little bit of gas. Let's move our target over. And that is it for today, and that's it for this week. I guess next time we'll be talking will be Monday. I hope everybody has a very nice long weekend, and don't hurt yourself out there on Black Friday, all you folks in the U.S. And that's it. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. We have a lot to be thankful for in most cases. And enjoy your weekend. So thanks for watching, and happy trading.